How to navigate the Fill in Hours form and use Timesheet. After you are done with your workday, clocking out the site timer will bring you to Fill in Hours from. Here you can see your project activities under Projects tab and non-project activities under Tasks tab. Project activities have AutoClocked Limited counter, which means you can only add the amount of hours that have been clocked in. The green remaining hours will help you count down how much time you can distribute in project activities. Non-billable like app problems, driving and non-billable hours have AutoClocked Unlimited, which means you can place any amount of time and it will not subtract from your auto-clocked hours. At the top it will show a total reported hours that you have keyed in. Non-project activities in Task tab also have an unlimited number of time you can place. If you cannot find the project you worked on, then you can manually add a project. Search for the project, edit, and then add time to it. You can see that my total reported hours is 8 hours and 5 minutes, which is combined with projects and tasks. Project phases show 5 hours and 65 minutes, and non-project related hours add up to 2 hours. Once you are satisfied with the timing, you can submit your form. From main menu page, you can select Timesheet. Here you can view the hours you have added in previous days, and you can also add time for days that you may have missed to fill in the form. At the top, you can see on the calendar row under each date how much time you have reported on that day. You can even change daily view of work done to weekly and monthly view. Week will show you total reported hours of all the projects and tasks you worked on during that week. You can see the breakdown of time, and also view project details for the projects you reported time for. Monthly view also shows all the days you reported hours for, the projects and tasks you worked on, the breakdown of time from total reported time. If you want to edit or add time to any day, first select that date. The plus icon at the bottom will bring you to the Fill in Hours form for that day. If you auto-clocked any time, it will be shown and you can distribute the time like normal. After submitting your hours, you can review it back in the timesheet. If you didn't clock in any time for a previous day, you can still use Timesheet to report hours for those missed days under app problems.